Alright, take two. Got the little antenna there for the Midland radio. My antenna's right there. And then this is the GMRS radio. Mine's mounted right there. And then I got the cord running there. Goes under and it comes in to my center console. And then the antenna goes under, down under the carpet. And then up through this way. And all the way up. And that's how I got it, so turn that down. So I got it, it's on. I don't know if you can see on 21. I'm gonna scan. Probably won't pick anything up. Yeah, we're not gonna pick anything up.
It was partly sunny with a temperature of 81. In Tahlequah, it was cloudy with a temperature of 75.
So that's that. Just put them in the other day. Took me about 10 minutes. Not real hard. And I'll keep you updated. I'm going to do a distance test here probably next couple days or something. We'll post that up. But yep, that's my setup. That's in a Nissan Titan. So that's how I did it. It's the easiest way. And I did the, I didn't drill it into the panel here. I just used double-sided sticky tape. And it's on there pretty solid. I use that Gorilla, the Gorilla Glue double-sided sticky tape. So it should stay. So that's it. Just wanted to do a real quick video on that. Showing you got that installed. I didn't do an unboxing because there's like 100,000 of those on YouTube, so you can go watch those if you want to see an unboxing. I'm not doing another one when there's that many on there. So yep, got them in both vehicles, and now we can communicate. So all right, that's it.